Justin.
Oh God.
Dude, you going bowling with them?
What? No, I'm not.
Who's going bowling?
I
want to go bowling. I want to go bowling.
He's 9 more yards.
9 more yards?
Furman, I got freaking 9th place.
Damn, that sucks, man. I didn't drop. I played it out for you.
Did you really?
You said you went X3?
Yeah, man.
Who did you lose to besides me?
2 other bums.
Macro deck.
Don't call me a bum.
I said other.
Yeah. Yeah, he lost to a macro deck.
Who?
What, pure macro?
Yeah, pure macro.
I also had like Inviside.
Banishers,
I actually
macros.
saw this one kid who was also playing a pure macro deck. He played like those little sun, those guys that had like the sun for a head.
You recording?
Yeah.
199. If you run for the second
Go.
Man, your hand was much better before.
Yes, my hand was amazing before. Yo, you should record both hands saying exactly what they were. Pop Xana, I'm stressing. Woo! Woo! Woo!
I'm letting him run, dog.
never be a thing.
Shouts Dogman Sam Furman.
No, Arden.
God damn it, why does my hand always have to shit? I call rematch.
2-0 cream on YouTube?
Oh, you
Damn.
both? Sure.
Damn! 2-0 cream!
Short.
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 Factory.
199.
2-0 cream!
Ryan about 8
Oh, this is the wrong deck.
Oh, hard.
2 glass of water. Level 3.
I'm not going to do this
Papa Zanny, I'm stressing. I'm stressing.
Take it overtime, let him run the ball. That's all they had to do. He felt wrong.
Damn!
Okay, all he had to do, let him run the ball.
No, I don't draw that card. I drew against you last time we played.
What is this?
He would have ran
okay.
it.
Oh, I thought it actually was Trenchel.
He'd have been like a back truck, man.
Nope.
You know how hard he would have ran?
Swing the wing blast.
9 yards?
You know how hard he would have ran? Not even ran hard for the 9 yards, dog.
Yo, I just need one card also, and I just win this game.
I won though, right?
Is it? Is it really? Yes. Yes.
It actually is.
Yes.
Blame them for making them miss them 3 games.
My turn? I mean,
Damn, trying to take 2 turns.
attack.
You know they was getting like 5 carries. You hear me? They was going to give him like 5 carries in the beginning of the season.
They ain't realized
26.
They didn't realize he was ready.
Attack.
They ain't realized he was ready.
What a rip, Furman.
I'd have been like, if I was the coach, I'd look at Adrian my dog.
It actually is that card. Not joking.
Oh, of course you have a back row. Summon.
Oh, so that means you got skill drains in here. Yeah.
He has 3 horn set.
Oh, fuck. What's life?
You're 11.
Yep. Fuck it. Fuck it, man.
Effect.
Sure.
Factory.
Sure. Pop a Zanny Armstrong. Damn. Again, not hand. Or is it just you playing game?
Oh, hard.
I'm pretty sure I still lose either way. Unless this card just gets there, which I don't think is gonna happen.
They can. If that goes in a row. Isn't that strategy off Billy Break?
Yeah, man.
It sure is. I read that article.
Oh, I just saw the video. Zam. Zam. Zam.
Yeah. Drop
Yeah.
this to that rabbit.
Yeah, attempt to activate that rabbit.
You gotta go in. You gotta go in, Furman.
I'll have you soon.
Yo, I don't have to. I just do this and wait.
They ain't no say nothing. You doing something? I'm doing
I don't have to.
You actually have to attack though.
No, I don't.
You can just make Gaston go.
That's why I said I could just do this.
Alright, well, you're dead that turn. Oh, I guess. That seems terrible though.
Well, I end up being that. Yo, it's Mirror Force. Is it Mirror Force?
What?
Deep Prison? What is it? What's your
Well, if it is any one of those, are you gonna scoop?
Yes.
Yes, Mirror Force.
Yes, like.
Oh, hard. Oh, hard.
Go in the MST.
My turn?
Yeah.
He's gonna throw that before you. Oh, game anyway!
Yes. Soul Taker.
Yes. Go hard.
2-0
2-0
cream!
cream. 2-0 glass of water.